VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol, a type of telephone technology that is replacing traditional analog telephone systems.
This is one of a series of videos about converting a home phone to Voice over IP. To find the videos in this series, click on the channel name, go to the Playlist tab, and look for Home Telephone, Internet, and Cable Service. When you speak into a traditional landline analog phone, your voice is transmitted over a pair of copper wires using an analog signal. The telephone company then transmits and routes the call to the number that you dialed. The telephone company provides DC voltage. If your home loses power, the phone will still work.
It also provides dial tone, ring, calling features such as caller ID, and 911 service.
When you speak into a VoIP phone or a traditional phone connected to an analog telephone adapter, also called an ATA, your voice is converted from analog to digital packets of data. The analog telephone adapter and the VoIP phone are connected to a DSL or cable modem. The data packets are sent through a broadband internet connection and are transmitted and routed by a VoIP telephone provider to the number that was dialed. A VoIP phone is an analog phone and an ATA combined into one device. When the person on the other phone speaks, the reverse happens. The VoIP phone or the ATA converts the digital data packets to an analog signal, which is one that you can hear and understand. One of the disadvantages of having your phone service travel over the internet is that if your home loses power, your phones won't work. Both the VoIP phone and the ATA are connected to your home's AC power. The ATA provides power, dial tone, ringtone, and calling features such as caller ID and voicemail.
This is the hardware setup for a cable-connected modem/router.
The cable coming in from the cable company, a Ethernet connection between the modem/router to the ATA, and then a connection between the ATA and your antique phone. If it's a more modern phone, of course, that would probably plug into a home electrical outlet. And as we spoke about, the ATA and the cable modem router combo also has to be plugged into your home's AC power. If your broadband internet connection is DSL, it's the same except for the modem/router is connected to your phone company.
It's possible that your cable modem/router has a ATA built into it and you're paying the cable company for phone service. If you switch to your own voice over IP provider, you'll pay around $10 to $15 a month for home phone service. You can save about $20 a month if you're using Verizon DSL. The rest of the videos in the series will focus on how to do that.
I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos, and thanks for watching.